showing y'all how to take trucks off the skateboard. I got my old deck. I'm gonna take my trucks off because I'm gonna get a new deck soon. So what you're gonna need is a skate tool. Doesn't matter what one, but it has all this stuff on it. And you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver. Don't know if you can see that. What you're gonna want to do is put the Phillips head screwdriver inside of your bolts right here. Hold it tightly, tight like. Over here, I'll get it on this one. And then you're gonna want to put it on your bolt, the smallest one in your skate tool, and put it on your bolt like this. And you put it on your bolt, and you're gonna want to twist to the left. There's you can get it loose. And you're still gonna be holding the Phillips head on your nut, on your bolt. You're gonna unscrew it all the way so you get it off like that. And take your bolt out. Just put your finger on it. Just like kind of pop it out. Just come out like that. I'll do it with the rest of this truck, and then do the rest. Got the rest of my nuts right there. Just gonna put them right here. And I'll pop the rest of my bolts out real fast. And we'll pop all the nuts out, the bolts, like that. It'll just pop out like that. You got independence. So like, and then there we go. I'll take this one off. I'll speed through that so y'all can see the deck. Okay, there you go, guys. Here's a blank deck. Alright, I'll just toss this right here for now. And here are the trucks. Remember, these are the back ones. Okay, these are the back trucks. Just put those right there for now. And that's how you take skateboard trucks off of it. And I'm just about to go put this back on my wall. And basically it's like the same thing when you're putting it back on, except you just screw them on there. But anyways, yeah, skate tool, nuts, and bolts. And then you should be good to go. Have fun skating.